someone who was like, make a lot of stories in New York, we miss your New York content. I always feel you guys really love when I'm like vlogging here because it's nostalgic. This is where I filmed my very first vlogs, on my little rooftop here in the West Village. And the way you guys can feel that through the videos is also how I can feel that whenever I'm back here. I'm always like so happy when I walk through the streets and I'm like, oh, so good to be back. Today's event day. So to celebrate the launch of our yoga mat and then our tote bag, we are doing an event pre-Fashion Week. I think Fashion Week starts on Friday. In 2 days I saw already so many girls like running around for castings and stuff like that. We're staying here at the Soho, which is, by the way, a really beautiful hotel in the middle of Soho, and they have an insane rooftop. Like, if I'm gonna show you guys the location of where we're hosting our workout, it is wow, it literally feels like you're on top of the world. So we're doing a little morning event, and then tonight we're moving over to Brooklyn to a much bigger space, and there we're gonna do our very first community event. All the tickets sold out, which was unbelievable, which I'm so grateful for, and I'm just so excited to meet everyone and just, I don't know, connect and move together, feel good together, all of that. I took a shower, got my hair and makeup done. I'm gonna do a little stretch, which I always need to do before I have a good day. Like, I need to move my body, I need to stretch. I did a little workout yesterday because I obviously had to prep. I don't know where I'm gonna stretch though, because there is New York absolutely no space. This is like my suitcase and stuff. I think I'm just gonna find a little in the corner there. This is gonna be my stretching area right here. Alrighty, we're gonna get into the location, getting set up here. Oh, hello guys!
What's up?
Look at this view. This is pretty sick. We are gonna check out the outside quickly. This is my favorite part of the whole event. Like, look at this, it is unreal. Hi! How did you sleep?
Good.
Short but good. Same. Same.
What do you think of this setup so far?
So cute.
Okay. This is like the best we can do.
Maybe shall we put these a little forward? I just feel there's now such a long gap between me and people. Because also from when they're taking photos and stuff, for Nico, if it's a little bit more forward, like we have more wiggle room, yeah.
I think they should go even more.
Yeah, I think even more. It is so pretty. Okay, we're just trying to figure out our mat situation here. Went to the room and I took a quick shower because I was drenched in sweat, and I was like, I cannot show up on my very first community event all smelly and sticky and all of the above. I just quickly ran to Starbucks and I got some water, and then I added a package of electrolytes. I really love the ones from Symbiotica. I think this is the flavor lychee, and I just like love how it hydrates me and it just has a little bit of flavor, and it's just like really refreshing because there's like a heat wave here. I think it's over 30, I don't know, 34 degrees or something. It is really hot, which is like 95, something like that. Anyway, the whole team is already on the location and they are prepping everything, and honestly, like, without them I could have never done all of this. Like, it really takes a village to put all of these things together, and I am just very grateful for them. I'm gonna edit some stuff in the car right now. Also got these cute sunnies from, I think they're from Saint Laurent. They're my absolute favorite because I have a really small face and they're very like thin and sleek. Let's go. All right, we're at location. Nico, remember that we shot my very first like fitness videos here in Brooklyn? Yes. In a studio?
That was a big deal. That was
5 years ago. This looks amazing. Oh my god, I love this setting here. Wait, this is so cute with our little pillows and everything. Look what the girls did. We got a little set here. We have our Live and Balanced bag. This is from our Vienna campaign. This looks stunning. We are 1 hour out, so I think we still need to do and like get some stuff ready and stuff. I'm gonna take a couple deep breaths. We're getting the energy going here. It was so funny. Lauren is always really scared to order flowers because it's like the one thing I'm actually very particular about. I don't love like very stiff flowers. I love flowers that are always a little drapey and just like a little bit weird. I'm gonna show you quickly, like these are my perfection type of flowers. So you don't see like roses, but I just like love how like this one, I don't even know what it is, but this is my favorite flower. It's not a peony, I'm not sure. And then it has these like draped things. I don't know, it's so cute. On the menu today, we're gonna have our chicken turmeric bone broth. We thought would be something nice, like savory in the evening with like protein and stuff. And it's absolutely amazing. It's been like sitting and cooking for like 12 hours and it is so healthy for you. We have some berry protein balls with my favorite vanilla protein from Ritual. And then we'll also have some like sandwiches and stuff, which will be delicious. So I'm making that too. I am so excited to be here today with all of you. Probably my favorite event so far, mainly because we just met so many new people who were already following me, some new people, and I just feel that's always like the beauty of these events and like connecting. Like some of the girls just moved here and like, I don't know, it just like makes me very happy. And like Abby, Sophie and Lauren literally crushed it. I just had to drink a lot of bone broth because my throat I'm done. We made some of the turmeric bone broth, which is actually a recipe that is on the platform and you can access it even if you're not a member. So you should definitely try it out. It takes a long time to make, but it's really easy to make and it is so soothing, so nice, especially if you're feeling sick or low on the weather, especially for the winter months. That's the thing you need to make. We're gonna pack up and we're gonna go. Did you do the workout, Dominica?
On the side.
On the side?
Yeah.
Guys, anyone meet Dominica? She's our dietitian and approves all our recipes, helps us plan our meal plans, and all of it. Can you show me your outfit?
So, single flat right here.
Can you show me your card?
My card?
No, your card. Okay, so basically Matt and Max have been walking around Soho. I mean, I need to get a shot of you guys actually outside. Oh my god. Show me what it is.
We have our matcha ice creams in there.
Guys, it is unreal. I had so many last night.
Well, happy to serve you.
Yes. Feed my belly, please. Okay, so this is the agency. There's a little living area, and then here is where all the bookers are and like my agents and stuff. And then over here they have all the like cards and model stuff. But yeah, this is it. I probably had already 5 ice creams in the last 48 hours. It is from single fat olive oil, and then no glue. If you're in New York City and ever uptown, this is an amazing gluten-free bakery, and they also have insane ice cream. It is so good. There he goes.
The line is